Greetings, beautiful people. It's your girl, Yo. Listen, I already did a part one of this video. This is a part two. The first video, I planted kale in. Okay, so I'm going to show you. I forgot to show you how to prep your bed. So whenever you plant something, make sure you put air in your, the dirt, air get underneath your dirt and stuff, because that'll help the seed grow faster. Okay? And I'm trying to remember where I cut off in the video. But anyway, this might cut off. If it do, y'all should have an idea of how to do your thing. So the way you do it is I take this rake right here. I hope y'all can see it and I'm not too close up. But this is the bed right here that I'm working with. I'm going to have y'all lean down. There you go. All right, and I just take this and I just do the dirt like this. And after you do your dirt, you shuffle your dirt up. You get air in your bed. You just shuffle your dirt up like this. All right? And move it on out. Move it out. I like using my hands, y'all know. Y'all get ready to fall. Hang on. I like using my hands, so I have to get my, I gotta come over here so y'all can see. So I use my hands, and I just smooth the bed out with my hands. And I smooth it out where the dirt will be kind of level. All right? After the dirt is level, pretty much like this, you wet it down. I already wet it down one time, so that's why I look a little bit more. That's the coffee grinds and all the other stuff. I took everything out that I had in it first. You just wet it down, just a little bit like that. Don't be scared to get your hands dirty. Wet it down. Then I told y'all in the other video what to do with how to do your holes. You take your finger, don't go past the line. You put your holes in your uniform holes. You just put them in there, or you can just spread your stuff all in there, your seeds all in there if you like. Okay? Then you start planting your stuff. And this bed right here, I'm going to do the beans. I'm going to do these. I'm going to plant these beans. So after you plant the beans, you put them in the hole. Whoops, there's a whole lot of them here. But you usually soak these overnight. You can soak them overnight and in some warm water. Leave them out on your kitchen counter, and then you plant them the next day. They'll grow faster. But I'm not in a hurry. So I'll take the seed, one bean, put them in the hole. Stick it in your hole. Just drop them. If the video cut off, y'all be okay. Y'all understand what I'm doing. Just drop your beans in your holes. Right? Just drop them in. No big deal. It's really easy to plant, guys. It really is. It's just getting up off your hind parts and doing it, you know? Yeah, but once you get it down, you don't have to do anything to it. Because the nature will water it and do everything else you need it to be done. And you just put them on in the hole. Okay, so. And once you get them in the hole, you cover them. All right? Here we go. Make sure I got some space. And sometimes you can just take the bean, and you see where the line of your finger is. You put the bean there, and you can press. You can plant that way, too. Put it in. Put it in and see if you can see it. Right there, press. You can do it that way, too. That, press. 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 Just put them in like that. And, of course, I'm planting them all. Okay, so this is going to be the whole pack here. All right? Press, put it in, press, in the spot that you want. And like I said, I like it uniform, but hey, it's all good. It's going to grow up straight because it's going to be like a vine type plant. All right? So then, don't forget to label your stuff. You put your label and put it in the corner, but I'll do that afterwards, after the video. So you cover. You just pinch and cover. You can pinch and cover this way, or you can just do it like I showed you the other video. Pinch, cover, pinch, cover. Poke, pinch, cover, see? And you're just covering it up, see? It's really easy. All right, and what I was telling y'all about those plants over there on the table, the sage and all that stuff, the herbs, this is a plant right here from last time. I didn't get that root out. Okay, so, all right. Plant cover, plant cover, plant cover. Okay, here's another secret. Quick secret, and then I'm going to let you go. I'll take this right here. See this potting soil mix? Take some potting soil mix, and what you do is take a handful and you just go over it. That'll give it some fertilizer, some more fertilizer, extra oomph. And you just spread it on over your plant, see? Just spread it over, and that's why it's still not plant too deep. Just throw it and plant like that. And after you do it, you water it in, and you're done. Water it in a little bit more. Just a little bit more. It's going to rain today, I think. And the rain's going to give it as much and more, nutrients and stuff. So here we go. Make sure everything nice and neat. And there you go. sure ain't no beans covering or showing. If it's showing, you just put some more dirt over top of it. That's it. That's all. That's it. That's all. And sometimes I'll just do this right here just because I like the way it feels. Okay? Now, there you go. That's that. Okay, I'm going to show y'all something else in a minute. Okay. Ooh. See? There you go. See, I told you this all the stuff I'm going to be planting. Oh, and I dropped off the other video. What I'm going to do is transfer these plants inside of here, inside this big pot, because I want this to go inside of my house, so in my kitchen. So when I'm cooking and I want some herbs,